Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to send your Amazon cart to someone. This is a fantastic feature when you want to share shopping ideas with friends or family, or perhaps suggest gift options without the hassle of listing everything manually. Let's dive right in and see how simple this process really is. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the familiar Amazon homepage, ready for you to start shopping or managing your existing cart. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see the toolbar. Here you'll find the cart icon. Click on it to open up your shopping cart. This is where all the items you've added are waiting, and it's also where we'll be working to share them with someone else. Once your cart is open, take a moment to browse through the items you've added. When you hover your mouse over any item in your cart, you'll notice additional options appearing. This is where the magic happens. Right beside each item, you'll see a share button. Go ahead and click on it. This button is specifically designed to let you share individual items or your entire cart with others, making collaboration on purchases incredibly easy. After clicking the share button, you'll be presented with several sharing options. You can choose to share via email, Pinterest, Facebook, or X, depending on where you want to send your cart information. Each option connects directly to that platform, streamlining the sharing process. For this tutorial, let's click on Copy Link. This option is particularly versatile because it allows you to paste the link anywhere you'd like, whether that's in a text message, email, or any other messaging platform. Once you've copied the link, it's time to send it to your intended recipient. Open a messaging app of your choice. This could be WhatsApp, Messenger, or even your email client, whatever works best for you and the person you're sending it to. Simply paste the copied link into your message and hit send. It's that straightforward. When the recipient receives your message and clicks on the link you sent, it will automatically open the Amazon page displaying all the items from your cart. They'll be able to see everything you've selected, browse through the products, and even add them to their own cart if they wish. This makes it incredibly convenient for collaborative shopping or gift planning. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your Amazon cart with someone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.